Hi guys, welcome back to GarageTech Automotive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Mercedes 2-button key fob. So the first thing you need to do is remove the emergency key. So you can do that by pressing in this little button here and then pulling the key back. So push that in there, pull that out. Now the next thing you need to do is remove this cover off the back. So to do that, you need to press this little button in again and then slide this back cover off. So the way I do it is kind of slide it back like that. So I'll just do that again so you can see. So you press that little tab in, put my thumb there, rest it against my knuckle and then just pull it towards me like that. That just pulls it off. So this little clip here holds in a little tab there, and then there's two little tabs here which slide in at the front of the key here. So that's why you need to slide it back. Once you've got that out of the way, then you can slide the battery out. So the battery's in here. I just use a flat blade screwdriver to help because my nails are not particularly that long, and that just slides the battery out. And then once you've got this out, then you can quite easily take the battery out. Obviously, when you put in your new battery in, just be careful how you're holding it and touching it. You don't really want to touch it like that if you've got kind of sweaty hands, so you can use gloves if you want. But as you can see, it's a CR2032 and it's a 3-volt battery. So to replace it, you'd simply just put your new battery back inside the holder, press it in, and then with the key you can then just slide that back in like that. To put the case back on, again, put it kind of there in that position, and then all you need to do is slide it back, and then you hear it clip in, and then you can just put your emergency key back in. That's it. And to test it, you just press the button. You can see then it's working with the red LED that's coming on, so we know it's good. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos, hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks guys, take it easy.